I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you because I have completed 100 subscriber on this channel in just a month. During our exam time, I was uploading videos related to IGNOU subjects, notes, assignments, and few important questions as well, which I prepared. So IGNOU is all about self-learning, and I know how hard it is for students who are working or starting their studies just few days before the exam. So I have been there too, and that is why I shared everything that helped me, and I am also happy that it helped many of you too. Now that my exams are completed, only 3 have left, I want to say thank you from my heart to everyone who watched, liked, and subscribed, also commented. It really motivates me to upload more videos. Even 2 hours before entering the exam hall, I uploaded video. But I am not stopping here. Next, I will be documenting my learning journey. So, after my graduation, I took a break, and during that time, I learned web development and other skills. Now, I will start sharing that with you step by step. If you are doing MCA, BCA, PGDCA, or even you have just started to learn something new, I hope my videos will help you. I'll show you everything I did, what I learned, from where I learned, and how my mentor guiding me, and how you can do it too. First, I will complete my BCS 12 exam, which I took with PGDC as a bridge course, and then I'll continue uploading videos regularly. Once again, thank you so much for supporting me. This is just a beginning. Let's keep learning and growing together. Don't forget to comment if my videos help you. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.